Hey guys, what's going on? Good morning, 9 a.m. You know what time it is. Time for our morning note. This is GA Air Capital. My name is Carlos, CEO of GA Air Capital. And let's go ahead and talk about markets, shall we? All right, so a couple things that just came through. Steve Mnuchin, the Treasury Secretary, was talking about the markets and the economy, that we will not hit 3% GDP growth because of Boeing. A couple of headlines that the coronavirus won't affect the China trade deal phase one. Also, some other discussions regarding the tariff cut from China overnight, which boosted futures, S&P futures up to 33.57. We slid back about 13 handles from there. We're still up 94 points. We were up as high as, I believe, 190 on the Dow. So we paired off some gains here, but again, we should be opening up at new all-time highs on indexes. So a couple of names to play with this information that we got now. A couple of names I'm looking at. I went ahead and set it up on the Twitter, on the premium Twitter. It's right here. A couple of names: Q's, SPY, Apple, AMD, Netflix, Square. We have Netflix and Square positions open. We closed Netflix yesterday. We got back in again. NVIDIA, Microsoft, and IWM are on the watch list. So you may want to write that down. I just have it right here. I also posted on Instagram. So Square, I'm looking at. Again, I'm looking for a bounce here. We did break the 50, but still respecting that 100-day moving average. I still like this bullish trend line here. 82 seems to be that level. We did open up in the money on this trade yesterday, but then we fell. It happens again, profit taking, net profit taking across the board yesterday. So what we did see is the fact that we could go ahead and we actually kind of held that 50, and then we broke through at the end of the day, and then we've been kind of just chilling here. We're actually up for the stock pre-market. Netflix, same thing. Again, nice bullish run. A little bit of consolidation after that big, kind of a flush in the morning, profit taking in the morning, and you could see kind of a consolidation there. The stock is about $1.65 from yesterday's close, so it's red pre-market. QQQ, nice break to the upside. It did break 230. Now we're at 228.92. So again, 70 cents above closing price. We were again around 230. Looks like to be a nice little dip play here, if you want to say dip, even though we're breaking out. Look at the QQQ here in the hourly. It's a beautiful break off this base right here. Broke to 230, fell back down off that coronavirus stuff. Again, most of it was just China stuff. Again, tech took a big hit yesterday. The markets were up, but tech took the biggest hit. And then you see that rebound here on the overnight. And then here we are chilling at 229-ish. So again, 230 could be a play, 231 could be a play. Let's see the open. Apple, same thing. I have an alert place at 324.52. Could be a nice play for a breakout, but we need to break that first. Then you would take a look at maybe the 328s or 330s if you can. Tesla, you could see that big flush, 20% drop yesterday. Now we broke the 100. Now it's starting to get testy. Let's see if the bulls can go ahead and buy this dip here. Again, do you want to bet against Elon Musk? Everyone has, and they've lost. 655.60 is this fib line, the 423 fib retracement on the daily. I can go ahead and bring this up here. Actually, it's on the hourly, I think. Yeah, on the daily, actually, you see this just pure parabolic move, almost like a Bitcoin chart. I still own the stock. I don't plan on selling it. Again, like I talked about our investment club last night, or our investment seminar. Again, 5-year, 10-year horizon. Don't plan on selling anyways. So again, if it does break below 600, I will be a buyer of Tesla here. But seeing here this break of the 100-day moving average could be interesting. I still wouldn't play puts here or calls because the premiums are so juiced and so expensive. So again, you may get hit both ways trying to play direction. So I just skip it in this one. Next one, AMD on the board. Again, nice drop here pre-market. You see, it looked like we were going to get a nice push overnight. We did tap 50.41, the break of that level I wanted, 50.31. I also have a break of 51.08 to confirm that move. But again, not enough here yet. But the 100-day moving average is very interesting. We either could fill this gap to the downside of 48.10 past the 100-day moving average, or we could bounce off that 48.31. So I would recommend you guys is to put an alert here at 48.30, below 48.30. And that'll give you a level of the break of the 100-day moving average. And then you can see where we can go from there. NVIDIA. Again, nice little fall there, but not as much as AMD. So NVIDIA looks to be better for the upside. But if we want to play, we need to break that 253.23 level, 23 level, excuse me. 253.23 to the upside. If we break that, if not, then we'd have to go all the way down to that 100-day moving average. Maybe the 200 at 246.56. Again, we want some clear direction. We don't want to just guess. MU was upgraded today. Nice big gap this morning, overnight. So you can see 58.28. If we break that to the upside, that'd be an interesting play. Could be a day trade for this one. Again, we just need about 30 cents to the upside to break. And then you could possibly play some 59s or some 60s and get some direction, vertical direction here on these calls. Premium should be nice on this one. So MU would be on your watch list. Christian's asking here, what do you think about QQQ? We just talked about it. QQQ does look nice, but again, we're going to see how we do at the open. I would like to see a break of 230. 230 should confirm an upside move. Maybe play some 231s. We do have non-farm payroll tomorrow, so just keep that in mind. Again, Thursday or Friday. So I would recommend, if anything, maybe get to next week calls. Give yourself some time. Premiums may be a little more expensive, but you're paying for that time so you don't get killed on time decay. So again, anything Thursday and Friday, I like to play trades that are next week because I want to get that little bit of time. So if it doesn't hit Thursday or Friday, we have the whole next week to play it to give us that opportunity to profit on those trades. I think I had one more stock here, IWM. Let's take a look at IWM together. IWM is the Russell 2000 index. We did see some nice volume up here. Looks like it rejected this level here of 168.32. So again, I'm going to put that alert as my breakout point. If we can break 168.32, then I'd go ahead and buy some calls. Maybe the 170s should be very interesting. Again, give yourself anything the next couple of days. Give yourself that next week expiry. If you are really feeling bullish about the market and you really want to play some lower risk, you may want to lower your risk and play this week's 170s, that's fine too, but make sure you're playing non-farm payroll, a very volatile event every first Friday of the month. So again, these are the kind of levels I'm looking at today. I'm looking at Qs, I'm looking at Netflix, I'm looking at Square, I'm looking at Apple, I'm looking at AMD, I'm looking at MU, I'm looking at NVIDIA, and I'm looking at IWM. And of course, Tesla I'm watching as well. All right, so any questions today? You can go ahead and type in the chat. I'm more than happy to help you guys. I'm going to give everyone a couple of minutes, see what we get in regards to questions. I guess everyone's pretty quiet today. It's a Thursday. Happy Thursday, by the way. Looks like new all-time highs to open. Don't be surprised if we get a little bit of a pullback for profit taking. Again, stay patient. Stay within your risk range. Stay within your trading plan, guys. I'll leave it there. Have a great Thursday, and we'll see you on social media, on Instagram and what have you. Have a great trading day. Oh, one more. Microsoft, Amir, 185 calls. One more for the road. Why not? 185 calls. Again, I hope they're expired for next week. If we get some vertical direction up, you may catch it, but you need to break 182.50, Amir, in order to cash in. Maybe 183. So I hope you've put the right risk in there because we need to see a little bit of more push. It's up $2, which is nice. So you may catch something, but you need a little nudge more. Maybe 182.50, 183 in order to catch those. But I don't dislike it. It's a good play. And again, I see the bullish move as just like the way you see it. And I do like the trade. All right, guys, have a great rest of your day. We'll catch you guys tomorrow.